Meta nħares lejn dak li seħħ fl-aħħar jiem nibki, irrifjutajt li niekol fost dawk in-nies stajt inkun jien. Kliem Sunday Moses, żagħżugħ li fis-7 ta' Awwissu tal-2013 wasal f'Malta flimkien ma' 85 persuna oħra fosthom 17-il mara u 4 tfal.
I was crying. I did not even eat when I heard the story that happened recently. Now, I was not really happy. I really felt bad, and I really felt sympathy for their family because I know their family, their friends, and their brothers and sisters, everyone is going to be in deep pain.
Iltqajt miegħu f'xatt it-Tiben l-istess post fejn dakinhar iddaħħlu f'Malta mill-Forzi Armati ta' Malta. Jgħid li wara li ħalla pajjiżu in-Niġerja minħabba problemi personali fil-Libja iltaqa' mal-gwerra.
In Libya that time it was disaster. The war was going on. Everyone is confused. Everyone is running up and down, bomb everywhere, gunshots, even though you can't go out to the shop and buy something. So I still have to take this journey, although I know it was very, very risky.
Jiddeskrivi l-vjaġġ bħala wieħed diffiċli anke għaliex fix-xhur ta' qabel u wara seħħew numru ta' traċedji. Kien lest għal-mewt, qatt ma kien niżel fil-baħar qabel.
If anything happened, someone will just die in 2 minutes, I think, in 2 minutes. For me, it will just be 1 minute because I don't know how to swim. I had never swum before. I can't even stand on top of the water. So for me, if something happened, immediately I would just go down. So that was my fate.
Qabel tela fuq id-dajsa għal dik li ħaseb li kienet se tkun l-aħħar talba ta' ħajtu.
When I wanted to get on the boat, I just say my last prayer. I said, God, if I make it, glory be to your name. But if I don't, all the glory still be to your name. But I can't go back to my country because I left because of a serious reason.
Jgħid li fuq id-dajsa kellhom xi jilma' u ikel, imma dawn spiċċaw wara ftit sigħat. Vjaġġ ta' 4 ijiem illi matulhom Sunday qatt ma qad bil-qiegħda għax hu l-irġiel l-oħra ċedew posthom lin-nisa tqalu tfal. Saħansitra spiċċa jixrob l-ilma baħar.
So I won't have to drink water from the sea. It was very salty and I even had some injury on my mind after I tasted the water. Actually, I thought I was going to die. I didn't know I'm going to make it. So I'm very happy to be alive today.
Imma minkejja dan kollu, Sunday jgħid li dan il-vjaġġ jagħmluh xorta waħda ħafna nies għax jippreferuh minflok jinqatlu, jispiċċaw f'ħabs jew ikunu sfurzati jingħaqdu ma' gruppi terroristiċi.
Those people who drown in the sea, most of them, they are running away so that they will not be killed, so that they will not be sent to prison, so that they will not be forced to join some terrorist group and they still end up dying.
Illum Sunday kiseb status ta' refuġjat u mejjun mill-Jesuit Refugee Service f'Malta beda ħajja ġdida f'pajjiżna fejn sab ukoll xogħol. Mhux kulħadd tal-istess xorti ta' Sunday li kieku grupp ta' sajjieda ma rawx lid-dajsa tagħhom u talbu għall-għajnuna. Jgħidilna li d-dajsa tagħhom li kienet wieqfa kienet qed tistenna biss mewġa biex ittemm kollox fit-traċedja. Kif ġara fl-aħħar jiem, meta f'dajsa waħda mietu aktar minn 900 persuna fosthom l-24 katafru li nġibu Malta.